Hey guys, Jake and Gray Horse here at Pear Tree Ranch, back again. This is session 2 of learning about the figure 8. So, session 1 we looked at having our horse on a 12-foot rope and focusing on the walk. Our markers were measured off our length of rope, so they were 12 feet apart and 12 foot off the fence. You can see where it was right there and right there. Okay, now I'm on a 22-foot lariat style rope. And so my marker has been moved out to 22 feet apart and 22 feet off the fence. Notice I have a fence behind me. This is so the horse doesn't learn to just keep running around behind me, okay? And it's a tall fence so that they don't think they can jump over it or lean their head over it. So just because their body stops and their mind keeps going, okay? Now, it's been years since I taught Gray Horse how to do this pattern, so he's well versed at it. These sessions are more about how to set it up and progress, and then we're gonna do some training sessions with a horse that hasn't done it so you can watch that process and how I would set that up, okay? So, I'm at the middle point of my vector here, almost on the fence. I don't need to squeeze my handsome man here, so let's scoop him from behind us. Come on, buddy. And we'll work our way out to our first marker. Now, we just finished filming session 1 where we did it at a walk. That doesn't mean I'm not gonna, now on this longer distance, walk all the way out to my marker. Okay? Good job, buddy. If I can do one, then maybe I could do 2. Out and around, come back to me, switch my tools, switch my belly button. I might need to shorten my rope to keep the forward, helping him come along. And there's 2. Okay? In the beginning, walking is fine. But if I feel like he's needing to hustle around there, just reach on out there with your tool, whatever it is, whether you're using a flag, shorter stick and a string. This is a longer stick and a string that has some zippier properties that then I can play more of a game. Okay, here's the good deal, there's the not so good deal. Okay, now if I can do 2, maybe I can do 3. There's your good deal, there's your less good deal. So there's 1, switch my tools, switch my belly button. Could I start stopping partway there if he's gonna allow me? There's 2, and switch my tools, switch my belly button. And if he looks like he's gonna make it, I'll stop. And if he needs help, I'll help him. In the beginning here, we're managing him through time and space to teach him the objective, okay, and make sure he's at least manageable so he can take direction in the process, and then I'll start making a game out of, can you do it by yourself, okay? So we're gonna keep building on how many can I do and from how far away. So now I'm halfway there versus 3/4. Change my tool, change my belly button, halfway. And he pretty well trotted that whole time. So I'm gonna just go, hey, nice work. Nice work. Okay, we joke around here because it's my job, if I'm gonna run the show, to always be telling everybody, hey, nice work, keep it up. Hey, good job. Hey, way to be. And then I go, hey, how come nobody ever's telling me good job? Where's my attaboy? Right? And all of a sudden we realize, you're right. Everybody feels a lot better when they're getting that attaboy. Good job. It's not that hard to say it. We just got to remember to take that time. Our horses appreciate it too. Okay? So whether you're leaving them alone, giving them a rub, giving them a cookie, letting them eat grass, Make sure they know that their effort is appreciated. Okay, so we did halfway. I'm going to try to stop back here. So that's going to looks like about 2 steps. So I want to get everything ready before I waste my steps. 1, 2, good deal. Less good deal. Shorten up. Change my stick. Change my belly button. 1, 2. Awesome. I could start using vocal cues. So you heard me cluck for move your butt. Kiss, kiss, kiss at my house means come here so you can get a kiss. Okay, we're just gray horse. Okay. This is a great pattern that I use when starting that kiss, kiss, kiss means come here. Because you're bringing them here anyway. They're going to come anyway. So if you just add that's consistent, kiss, kiss, kiss means come here and be done, pretty quick. From a distance, you kiss, 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 and that horse goes, I know what that means. Come get a cuddle time versus get a spank on the butt or something that they don't so sure about. Okay, let's reset. It's nice with these coils that then I could just drop that rope. We're gonna go, can we get 3? So we did 2 as we increased a little bit of speed and a little bit of distance. So 1, 2 steps. Don't miss. 1, 2. Change my belly button. 1, 2. Atta boy. Yeehaw. Easy peasy. Now I know he's done this a bunch of times, so this might take you hours, days, weeks, years. I don't care how long it takes. You just take how long it needs to take. Okay? But the better your setup with a good wall behind you and being comfortable to move your feet all the way out there so they don't learn to squeeze you. They never need to learn to run in between you and that thing. Okay? If you push that hand out and say, out and around. Okay? And then you're ready with that stick. Whoa, gray horse. Okay? If I go, get out and around and then come back to me. Okay? Out and around and then turn face follow. And then change. Out and around. Pretty quick, you just start directing with your oomph from your belly button. Okay, and you can just do footwork. Draw, drive, draw, drive, draw, drive. Okay, and then we're going to do less and less where it's don't make me help you. Okay, and you can catch that in the next segment. Hope you're enjoying learning about figure 8s. I sure am having fun setting you up with something that took me plenty of time to learn, and a lot of this I had to figure out on my own. My good buddy Dancing Pete Rhoda, somebody that I saw walk in this V vector and making sure people recognize, go to the points, okay, and adding that with how I put together the game to teach them to run it without us doing anything, really made for a fun clinic and or workshop we used to teach called The Power of the Belly Button, making sure people recognize that and then transitioning it. So make sure we're giving props where props are due. This is the Gray Horse. I'm Jake. We're at Pear Tree Ranch.